So you're gonna wanna make sure you measure the tongue length of the frame. You're gonna use the drawings, it'll give you some information on that, but you're gonna measure from this point, typically, to about this point, or over here, whatever's called out on the drawing. So just pay attention to the drawings. You're also gonna make sure that this is a propane mount, or sorry, this is propane mount, this is for the leveling jack. You're gonna make sure that this is welded on the correct side, that it's in the correct orientation, and that this is welded on the correct side. You also wanna make sure that this isn't bent or that nobody's come and smacked it around. A couple other things you wanna look for. All the welds on the top need to be ground down. So something like this is probably fine, but you can see how the welds right there were ground down and all along down the frame. Other things you want to look for is hole orientation. That's super critical. You stand here, you notice I got 2 holes on this side, 1 hole on that side. You need to double check the drawings, make sure that's correct. So another critical part for welds, as far as welds go, inside where the axle brackets are mounted, you're gonna make sure you got welds on the inside as well as the outside. It's not super critical if the welds on the outside are ground or not, but they do need to look clean and they do need to be welded. What I usually do when I check frames, I just rub my finger around there and make sure that there are welds. If this is not welded on, that is a huge safety concern. Wheels will just fall right off. Another really big one is this guy, the chain loop. You want to make sure that's on the bottom of the frame. So if you're missing any of those, you're going to want to fail it. If something's not looking right, you're going to want to fail it. These are critical checks.